Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. The 1099 etc. software has added the Aca Filer to meet the new Affordable Care Act requirements. The Aca Filer can be a standalone module or integrated into AMS Payroll. The Aca Filer supports Forms 1095B and 1095C, along with the associated 1094 transmittal forms. These forms can be printed or e-filed to the IRS. Employee copies can be printed and distributed, and if software-generated forms is purchased, all copies can be printed on blank paper. For more information on the ACA requirements, please review the IRS Revenue Codes, Sections 6055 and 6056. This tutorial will cover adding existing employees that are already set up in AMS Payroll to the 1095C information. To begin, the pair, ABC Payroll has already been set up. The employees have already been entered. At the main menu, select AMS Payroll. Highlight the pair, ABC Payroll, and click OK. First, set up the pair's ACA information. Select Pair. Select Pair Edit. The pair has already been set up for payroll. Click ACA. The two forms that are supported are the 1095B and 1095C. Enter the ACA employer contact information. Click 1095C. Enter the government entity, if applicable. Next, enter the other ALE members. Double-click on the blank line or click the gray box. Enter the ALE member information and click OK. Enter as many ALE members as needed. When finished, click OK. Next, the existing employees will need to be added as covered individuals. Click Input. There are multiple employees set up for this pair. To add multiple employees to covered individuals, click Special. Using the Special command, you can add one employee or all employees to the covered individuals list. For the purposes of this tutorial, select Add All Employees to Covered Individuals list. Next, the individual employees will need to be edited. Highlight an employee and click Edit. At this point, we are assuming the employee has previously been set up. Click the ACA tab. First, if the employee is ACA eligible, check ACA eligible employee. This pair is required to file the 1095C form. Click the 1095C tab. Select the coverage code, enter the employee share lowest cost and select the 4988 Safe Harbor code. If the employee was covered the entire year, enter the codes or amount in the All 12 months box. If the employee was covered for part of the year, enter the values in the months that are applicable. Enter the plan start month, if needed, although it is optional for 2015. Next, the covered individual section needs to be edited. Next, the covered individuals need to be entered. The employee was added as a covered individual, but the covered months need to be set up. Double-click the line, or click the box for the employee. The first covered individual needs to be edited to add the coverage months. This covered individual was covered the entire year. Only check the individual months if they were not covered for the entire year. Check 12 months. Click OK. To enter a new covered individual, click the box at the beginning of the line, or double-click on the blank line. Enter the covered individual's information. If the individual was covered for the entire year, check 12 months. Otherwise, check the months the individual was covered. Check 12 months. Click OK to continue. This process will need to be completed for all responsible individuals and their associated covered individuals. Click OK to either add or edit additional responsible individuals. Repeat the process until all covered individuals have been entered. To print reports or forms, click Quit. At the AMS Payroll menu, select ACA. There are 3 reports to choose from: covered individuals, insured detail, and non-participating. You can print either the 1095-B or 1095-C forms, and the associated 1094 transmittal forms will be automatically printed. For further assistance, please review the frequently asked questions on our website. Or please refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, chat or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 etc. program. Have a great day.